Okay, so here is a new day for trading, and looking at the market right now, we could see that the price from the call we made yesterday had reached 4030. Okay, so this was the first time the market reached 4030. We wanted to see a break at 4030. So the first thing is to see a break in at 4030. Here there was no break yet. Then we come down here. This was the first break above 4030. Okay, first break above 4030. We've already seen the break here. Yeah, so this was the break at 29. There's already a break at 4030. Then here we saw the breakout. So we wanted to see a break in and then break out, and then we take our entry when the market returns to touch the level. So which means that this was our entry candle. This bearish candle here was our entry candle. And here we are holding a buy from 4030. The stop loss will be at 4010, which is down. 4010 is down. So looking at where price has dipped to so far, we are using the dip as a new entry opportunity. So the first time the market dipped to about 40 pips, about 60 pips, we took a buy. 50 pips, then the market dipped again by another 80 pips, and we took another buy. So these are the three entries we now have here because the market had to dip below the buy entry level. So here we have an entry in profit and two other entries on their drawdown. We are not closing here because we have their stop losses already set. So this stop loss is at 4004, not yet reached. This first stop loss is at, okay, we have not set this, so this should not be forgotten. Okay, so here the take profit will be set at 4150. That's our target exit, and then the stop loss will be set at 4010. 4010. Okay, so now we have the setups here, and you can see that as the market is reversing back into trend. Yes, haven't given us our trend entry for the week at 4030. We have entered from the dipping levels. Yes, we have entered from the dipping levels, and we took our last entry at 4018, where the market stopped. So now I want to show you what our projections looked like from the day before. I'll be taking you into the yesterday's projections coming from my status share. So let's look at it. Let's look at the video that I made from the yesterday status share, or we'll go straight to the status, okay? And enter. Yeah, we'll go straight to the status. Go to community. Let's go straight to the video. Go to announcement, and then go straight to click the video. Okay, we have. Okay, so now this was made on the live calls that were made. I posted this on our WhatsApp channel. So to review what was said in this video, I want to look at the AI analyze video so that we can understand what is in the video. So let's summarize the video by asking core questions. So now we are asking the AI to review the video. And AI says this video serves as live trading proof for the PSL luxury trading Dusk Till Dawn Cohort, demonstrating how they utilize the Power40 Scientific Trading Method to grow an account from $1,000 to over $1,783 in 24 hours, July 13 to 14, 2026. This was yesterday and day before yesterday, and today is July 15. So key highlights: trading methodology. The cohort focuses on scientific trading rather than news-based trading, relying on trend anticipatory entry projections for gold, XAUUSD. Risk management. The strategy utilizes hyperfractional 0.01 lot entries to maintain a high margin level documented at 8,785% while capturing market momentums or movements. Performance timeline. Initial call was July 13. The team projected a trend move starting with a specific entry analysis. The market execution, the video documents the process of holding trades through fluctuations, demonstrating the shift from a $3,996 entry price upward toward targets like 4073 and 4083. Trend confirmation. July 14th. As the market progressed, the team confirmed their setup, including a sell entry after the market reached 4082, aiming for further retest and trend continuation. Transparency. The creator emphasizes that these trades were documented in real time on their official WhatsApp status to allow for peer review and proof of concepts. The video concludes by encouraging viewers to join their upcoming cohorts for access to these trading methodologies. So this is a summary of the video. When you asked Gemini to do a summary for you, you can see how detailed the video was. Now for all other questions, you can see questions like why avoid news trading, what does break in and breakout mean, why share trades on WhatsApp. So let's share trades based on here. So look at the answer analyzing those contents. So why share trades on WhatsApp? The creator states that they share their trades on the official WhatsApp status to provide complete transparency and allow for public, independent review of their trading performance. They emphasize that this documentation serves as a demonstration that their trading claims are verifiable and not just random assertions. So more questions. What is the goal of anticipatory entries? How does the trader manage risk? Why does the trader use a buy base? So let's look at one of the questions here. Which one are we looking for more answers? What is the goal of anticipatory trading? Because that was what I did yesterday. I did anticipatory trading. 097 down to 4030, which has happened today. So the speaker explains that the goal of using trend anticipatory entry projection is to position for the start of a weekly market trend by identifying specific entry levels such as 4030, where the trend is expected to commence. The speaker clarifies this method is strictly focused on trend projection and does not involve trading based on news, emphasizing the importance of waiting for price movement to confirm the setup before execution. Now let's look at more questions here. So why double down on trades? Does waiting cause harm? How to define market noise? All right, so these are other questions that you can ask and you get the answer summarizing the video done. So but pay attention to the fact that we anticipated the price coming down to 4030, and that is what has been happening. So far, we have now seen the market come to 4030, which is our buy entry level. 4030 is our buy entry level for the week's trend. So let's see here how this anticipation yields at the end of the day. So looking at price dipping down to 4030, we had our first entry for the weekly trend projection. And then when the market dipped below that, we had another entry at 4025. And when the market dipped further to the lowest low set for the day at 4017, we took another buy at 4018. Now we use double of the lot size because here I want to take advantage of the dip. Okay, and looking at the market where price currently is, you see that the entry we took at the lowest level at 4018 has now yielded $60, and the others are still on their drawdown. So once they all move up to profit level, as this price goes above 4030, we'll be expecting the trend to commence. So why this is ongoing, for those who have not yet taken this entry, we are still calling this entry. Yes, we are calling everyone to join us in taking this trade. That is for transparency purpose. We post the entries before. Okay, we anticipate the entries before they move. So we give all members in our cohort the opportunity to take these trades and make their profit for each day. Whereas our weekly target is $100 on every setup posted. We can have multiple setups per week, depending on how many times the market confirms a structure, forms a structure, confirms it, and gives us an entry projection that we follow with conviction that the method of Power40 Scientific Trading will always be consistent, okay, in the outcomes you expect. So if you have not yet joined us in the weekly cohort, then this is your opportunity to do so. You can follow our link. Okay, like you see, this is from the communities view. We post the link, we share the post. Okay, so you can follow the link here, PSLottery Lifestyle Brand or systema.io/cohorts to join in our next cohort. See you in.